that way and one to go that way. But because I don't have an angle in here, the tree does decide to go this way, so the probably forces it to go that way through the message that the whole gap angle over here. So, that's a guess. Like I said, I guess. But what I'm going to do too is I'm going to put this wedge right there and pound that in. Should be losing a sledgehammer. It's not in real well, but it did open up the gap, as you can see. And so what I'm going to do, about the only thing holding this tree now is this strap right in through here. It's like a tendon. Once I cut that tendon, it should allow the tree to fall, and God hope it doesn't fall anything we want to keep. Because I don't think that building's worth much in scrap. So this should be it. Let's see what happens. It'll probably stand there and make me already.
Rick, watch out! Perfect, right where you wanted it.
I missed my mark by 6 inches, and I apologize for that. But don't try this at home. Get a professional, not me. I can't think of anything else. Let's look at the hinge here. Apparently, there was no hinge here from where she cracked, so I kind of screwed up on that because a hinge is going to have this. But this is the hinge she used. It's about an inch, inch and a half in some places. That's the hinge. Very bad in here because I just didn't have a big enough chainsaw or enough thing. This broke cleanly here. See, when I told you I didn't have a chainsaw to go all the way across, it stopped right in here somewhere. So I couldn't get a clean cut all the way through here. So what I did, I created almost what we call a double hinge. But I put the wedge in here and that helped it. And then I cut ahead and I told you at the end, this is all it was holding it right here. Well, it was. Once I cut this down in through here, she popped loose right here according to the grain this way anyway. Pretty much along with the grain. And then this other bigger hinge here popped loose. And she followed this hinge line right here. Now, when she fell, she did bounce to the left. You want to see where she hit first? Come over here. She hit right along here first. So to tell you what a tree can do, she hit here and bounced way over there. I had an uncle years ago who was doing some timbering, and he lost a leg bouncing between two trees. So there we go.